sponsored by Fictive. On-demand manufacturing has been on the rise as a faster, easier way for engineering teams to source custom parts. Different from traditional sourcing, on-demand manufacturing uses cloud technology to rapidly match orders with open machine capacity, cutting lead times from weeks to days. On-demand manufacturers provide a self-serve platform for instant pricing and DFM feedback, which cuts down quoting time and also makes it possible to track order progress online. Another advantage of on-demand manufacturing is that it's more streamlined and cost-efficient to scale from prototype to production. With no minimum order quantities, you can order one part or 1,000 parts through the same supply source and reduce high inventory costs typical of traditional manufacturing. Engineers at emerging startups and enterprises like Honeywell, Lyft, and NASA use on-demand manufacturing today as a tool to accelerate development and get products to market faster.